Hey, what is up, guys? Welcome back to the TheFonoGuy. So, finally, Oppo launched their next generation Find X3 series with the Oppo Find X3, X3 Pro, Lite, and New. But in this video, we're just talking about the bigger the Find X3 Pro come with a 250 megapixel camera and a unique design. The new Oppo Find X3 Pro is finally here. The flagship brings 250 megapixel camera and new 10-bit screen with adaptive refresh rate and the latest Snapdragon 888 chipset. Arguably its most impressive feature, however, is that the design of the back, which is manufactured from a single piece of glass, that flows seamlessly in a continuous curve. The phone has 6.7-inch LTPO AMOLED display with a QHD Plus resolution that allow to refresh rate go between 5 Hz to 120 Hz, giving you extra smoothness when needed and a battery saving when not. The Find X3 Pro has also 240 Hz touch sampling rate. The quad camera setup on the back feature a two Sony IMX766 sensor, one for the main wide angle camera behind f1.8 lens, the other for the ultra wide angle shooter sitting behind f2.2 lens. The main camera also offer OIS, EIS and all pixel omnidirectional PDF that should deliver quick and accurate focus in all lighting conditions. There is also 13 megapixel 2.4 telephoto camera that offer 5x hybrid zoom. It actually has a 52mm effective focal length, about 2x optical zoom, with the rest being curved by digital zooming. A 3 megapixel macro camera completes the ensemble on the back. It's not your average macro unit, however, that mostly there to make the number. This one lets you zoom really close up to 60x magnification and even seen sub-pixel on a smartphone display or a microscope pieces on a surface. It does 1080p video too. There is a one camera on the front, has 32 megapixel sensor and it's sitting inside a punch hole in the upper left corner of the phone. The Oppo Find X3 Pro also brings support for wireless charging, a first in the lineup. It's called Air VOOC wireless charger flash charging and offer up to 30 watt through a dedicated stand. The company says filling the whole 4500 mAh battery from 0 to 100% will just take 80 minutes. Of course, there also speedy wired charging Super VOOC 2.0 65 volt, which gets the battery from 0 to 40 in just a 10 minute and should deliver a full charge around in 30 minutes. The Oppo Find X3 Pro come with a 5G connectivity thanks to the Snapdragon 888 chipset and its Snapdragon X60 modem. It will support up to 13 bands, both RSA and NSA spectrum, which Oppo says is more than any the flagship smartphone on the market. Other connectivity options include the latest Bluetooth 5.02, Wi-Fi 6E and USB 3.1. The Oppo Find X3 Pro come with a ColorOS 11.2 based on the Android 11 and offer Dolby Atmos certified stereo speaker. The price of the Oppo Find X3 Pro has a single memory option, 12GB DDR5 RAM and 256GB UFS 3.1 storage. The phone is offered either gloss black and anti-glare blue matte and will ship from 30 March from 1149 euro. So this is the latest Oppo Find X3 Pro. Let me know in the comment section, are you like this new Oppo phone, and also like this video and subscribe my channel for more tech videos. I'll see you in my next video. Peace out.